Good afternoon, my student. Masidi makasa thawai na ko. Ebagi electricity ki problem khara ga muksa thase. Jengo pe textbook ki exercise double 221 221 da bagi question number 10 se jeng se. Kada uba jeng 10 se. Uba 10. Ora cover to uba. Question number 10 hai se jong se muna. How many question number 10 ate question number 11 sorry na question number 11 sini ko ubi question number 11 question number 11 sini ado question number 10 din na to question number 11 sini jong se so that how you would connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohm. 6 ohm resistor hongo pire 6 ohm resistor hongo pire high resistance in se combine connect already total resistance 9 mani first is na second is na total resistance ke wani ba asiga 4 wani sina ado tadi ko na asiga question number 11 when resistance given R1 R2 and R3 silaga ado tadi number 1 is na resistance se combine connect already my total resistance is 9 to finish now ready if I ahamada resistance is connect already R1 ले रहे R2 ले रहे R3 ले रहे सुमाइना कहना सही डॉक्टर पिरो सुमाइना इकोना रेजिस्टेंस को मुझे सुमाइना कनेक्ट कर रही ने इकोना हमारी टोटल रेजिस्टेंस है इकोना 9 थोकन है हवा अदर ताड़ी इकोना R1 also 6 ohm this also 6 ohm and this also 6 ohm then इकोना रेजिस्टेंस 9 ohm phangna bagi damak ta ikona 2 are connected in parallel and 1 is at series so you have to find first the total resistance of this parallel combination then that total and R3 will be series clear ready hoya muk nawrisi ko in order to get 9 ohm 9 ohm in order to get 9 ohm we connect two resistor are in parallel two resistors are in parallel and then this combination is connected to other in series. Therefore, R1 and R2 are in parallel. Therefore, Rp equal to 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 equal to 1 by R1 is 6, R2 also 6 equal to 1 plus 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Right? Therefore, Rp equal to 3 ohm. Therefore, this combination. Therefore, now Rp and R3 are in series connection. Good. R2 and R1, Rp and R3 are in series connection. Therefore, total resistance equal to what? 3 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to 9 ohm. Asina equal to first chapter lore. First second part na Sumaina mathang isina Sumaina R1, R2 and R3. Right? The R1 and R2 are connected in series. Therefore, Rs equal to R1 plus R2. Equal to 6 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to 12 ohm. Now, Rs and R3 are in parallel. Therefore, total resistance equal to total resistance Rp equal to what? Total resistance 1 by Rp equal to 1 by Rs plus 1 by R3 equal to 1 by Rs is what? 1 by Rs is 12 and 1 by R3 is what? 1 by 6 equal to 12. Then 1 plus 2, 3 by 12 equal to 3 1 3 3 4 12 equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, Rp equal to 4. these R1 and R2 are in series. Yes, R1 and R2 are connected in series. Therefore, total resistance RS equal to what? R1 plus R2, 6 plus 6 to 12. Then again this combination and these are in parallel. Therefore, RS, combination of these two, this is RS equal to 12. RS and R3 are in parallel. Therefore, total resistance should be what? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by Rs, 1 by R3. By putting value this one, we get what? Rp equal to 4 ohm. So, my total equation na Rp equal to 4 ohm fungus. Asini. Adi matung da number kaya no 12 to matung da 13 je tos. 11 matung da 13 je tosi. Ada bisa jauh lah. Question number 13 je jauh. Kurang. Question number 13 dah hari sini. A hot plate of an electric oven connected 220 volt line has two resistance coil A and B, each 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. What are the current in the three cases? Jadi oven sini samnari se ekoi A amasung B coil ni ka samnari. Hari coil ni se amuna separate way. Amuna series ta connection tawi. Amuna ekoi parallel combination way. Haba. Ado bata adi. Mana hari series ka ekoi given yung se masih P is a volt, potential difference volt equal to 220 volt. 220 volt हमरा ada lagi resistance of coil A equal to 24 ohm, B equal to 24 ohm. Already my voltage P है 220 volt, resistance A coil A की resistance 24 ohm है. As in resistance of B coil B equal to also 24 ohm. Already when they are connected separate, so I don't know. Resistance 24 resistance ohm is already voltage well is a voltmeter से क्या है 220 220 ना था 220 volt है ना voltmeter अरे तारा के ऐसा है कि separate समय तो नहीं कर पा रहे सिर्फ समय तो पा रहे समय तो है बा समय तो नहीं कर पा रहे plus minus से resistance 24 ohm से जो 220 volt है apa? Semuanya itu tulis. Ada betul tadi. Apa nak hari sini? Mana separate dari current क्या option ni sini? Saya sih dah. Saya connect करो saya juga. Saya battery yang connect करो. The plus minus. So चलो. ऐसे जो connect करो. अरे sini plus. Sini minus. और टारगे दी सेपरेट में वो तो ना current क्या machine नहीं चाहिए मतलब तो टारगे एक ना when the coil are connected separately when the coils are number one when the coils are connected when the coils are connected separately ना when the coils are connected separately, then I V equal to Ri. Yeah. Therefore, I equal to V by R by Ohm's law. Therefore, V equal to what? 220 and R equal to 24. Jadi क्या पंगनी से? jadi मैं इसे करना पंडो से 9 point क्या पंगनी? ओके ना पंडो से 9.16 है ना? jadi इसे करना रहो तो 4 करना रहो 4 5 to 20 4 5 to 20 4 6 to 24 हाँ jadi 55 by 6 then 6 9 to 54 then 1 640 6 is a 48 huh? then 48 20 60 that is I equal to ampere therefore I equal to 9.16 ampere así see same as is bulb 220 volts is 24 ohm is 220 volts is 24 ohm therefore this and these are two cases are same therefore both the two current will be 9.16 this case the current will be what 9.14 this also 9.14 first case is over so next when the two coils are connected series when the two coils are connected in series when the two COIL coils are connected in series. Therefore, when the two coils are connected in series, it should be this one is RA, RB, both of two are 24 ohm. And two coils are connected in series, therefore, connected in series, it should be RA plus RB, total resistance equal to 24 plus 24 equal to 48 ohms. 48 ohms. Therefore, V equal to Ri by what? Ohms law. By Ohms law. Therefore, I equal to V by R. And V is what? 220 volt. 220 volt then 220 volt and R equal to R is what? Resistance. R is what? 48. Okay. Therefore it should be cut off 12 22 से cut off 4 से cut off 4 5 to 20 4 5 to 20 4 1 to 4 4 2 to 8. Therefore equal to 55 by what? 12. 12 4 to 48. 55 12. 12 4 to 48. Then 7.0. 100 then it should be 4.58 ohm ampere. Jadi matang isina kya phangye 4.58 ampere phangye ha asman ka udana ibana hari kumba they are connected in series there is current passing in this circuit will be what 4.58 ampere therefore I equal to what 4.58 ampere oise arba asumai tawdana karigumba when the two coils are connected in parallel you to say go in parallel parallel is ऐसी coil A हाँ समाइना हाँ रेडी सिगा प्लस ले रहे ऐसे माइनस ले रहे कौन अरे देखा कि वो कनेक्ट कर रहे सिगा RA this one is RA this one is RB coil A resistance for coil A resistance for coil B clear therefore the when the therefore total resistance when connected in parallel therefore 1 by this should be 1 by RA and this one is 1 by RB this one is 1 by RB therefore 24 plus 24 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24 equal to 24 1 plus 1 equal to what 2 by 24 equal to single turning up here then 2 under 2 12 equal to 1 by 2 therefore RP equal to 12 RP equal to 12 ohm ठीक 1 by RP equal to 1 by 12 if RP into 1 RP then 12 into 1 12 it is 12 ohm so it should be यहाँ पे लिखो आपका RP यहाँ पे RP clear therefore यहाँ पे आएगा 12 4 ने करता तो 4 3 12 तो फिर यहाँ पे आएगा आपका 3 therefore यहाँ पे आएगा 3 ने डिवाइड करो 3 1 3 3 1 25 3 8 24 .309 यहाँ पे ओके आंसर हो गया 18.33 18.33 तब तो देखो यहाँ पे सुमाई तौदना कोई ना तौरीबा एकोगे अंकसिंग से सुमाइना मेक सेना सेपरेटली जाम खंदो अनिका ब्लॉक से जाम चावना सारा सुनो ने जिंगना को अदुना सिनेमा वाली जिंकिनी सोयदन अदुबो ऐना मटे तौरिसन सोयदन जिंगु कानाबो खजिकरा फांगानी है ना अदो करिगुमा खंदो जावगदी नय सोयदना एंगोंदा कमेंट बॉक्स ता हेरो याय कायदे को अदुनी अदुदादे अखोने सिगे फंगे अखोगे कालेन से अखोना अहमदा सेपरेट तौबो मतमदाना कमाय फंगी सेपरेट तौदरगना कमाय फंगी अदो नय खंगैदुनी को कालेन से को रेडी नसागी ख्वाइदेगी लिपना चारि से अखोगे अखोगे नसागी sini si matang sini matang sini